Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we're gonna make roast chicken and vegetables. My uncle makes custom stools. I love mine because it's the perfect height. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Now we'll chop up onions, carrots, parsnips, and potatoes. First you peel before you cut them. Push the peeler away from you so you don't cut your fingers. Then you cut your potatoes in half. Keep those fingers straight so you don't cut off your fingers. I'm seeing a theme here. I must like my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, still have them all. One suggestion is to put on their flat side when you're cutting it so it doesn't roll away. Take your time twig and turn it upside down. And hold it at one end and run your fingers down it so it pushes all the leaves off. Then choppy chop chop. Look, I still have all my fingers. Keep them really flat. Sprinkle the thyme evenly on all the cut up vegetables. Add some salt and olive oil and mix it up. Mixy mix, mix, mixy mix, mix. Now I'm gonna mix it till I can't no more. Pat your chicken dry and put it in your roasting pan. Ew, look at all the insides. Where's the head? You want me to do what? I have to put my hands where? Lift the skin up and season the meat. Pour some olive oil into your hands and rub it all over the chicken. Rubby rub rub, rub-a-dub dub. Spread your seasonings all over. Stuff the cavity with a lemon. Dump your vegetables all around your chicken. Wow, that looks good. Carefully put your roasting pan into the oven and set your timer for 2 hours. While we wait, it's a good time to get my reading done. It's best to read with my dog, Buckeye. Got to check the chicken. Oh man, that's hot! But I still have my 10 fingers. Got to wait a little bit longer. It's not quite done yet. It's done. The popper popped up, but it's on its butt. Wow, that looks tasty! And it is. Lucky us, we made a wish and both of them came half true. A chef always cleans up. There is some truth about using too much soap. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button. And click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much!